Question is given 3 upon a plus 4 upon b is equal to 5. And here one condition is given, ab belongs to integer, so we have to find out the value of a plus b, right? So let's see solution. Three upon a plus 4 upon b is equal to 5. This is question. So we can do here one thing, we can multiply by AB on both sides. If we are multiplying by AB on both sides, let's see, multiply by AB on both sides, then we will get here AB times this one 3 upon A plus 4 upon B equal to 5 times AB. So here AB, we are multiplying with AB on both sides. Now AB times 3 upon A, it will become AB times 3 upon A plus AB times 4 upon B times 4 upon B is equal to 5AB, right? Now this A is cancelled from this A and here B is cancelled from B. So 3A plus 4A, it will become here 4A is equal to 5AB. So it will become here 3, this A is cancelled from this A, here it will become B, 3B, and here B is cancelled from B, so 4A. So here it will become 3B plus 4A. 3B plus 4A is equal to 5AB. This one, 3B plus 4A is equal to 5AB. Now we have to subtract here, subtract 3B minus 4A on both sides, right? Subtract 3B minus 4A on both sides. Then we will get here this one 3B plus 4A. Now minus 3B minus 4A is equal to 5AB minus 3B minus 4A. Now plus 3B minus 3B plus 4A minus 4A, it will become here 0 is equal to 5AB minus 3B minus 4A. So we can write this one 5AB minus 3B minus 4A equal to 0, right? Now here we can write this one 5AB minus 3B minus 4A equal to 0. This one, now we can multiply and divide by 5 here. So if we are multiplying and divide with 5 in this term, so we will get here 5AB minus 3B times 5 divided by 5 minus 4A equal to 0. If you are multiplying and divide here with 5, then value is same 0. So we will get here now 5B. So you can see here 5AB, this one, right? This is 5AB and this is 3B times 5. So we can write this one. Now take common here, taking common 5B, taking common 5B on both sides. Then we will get, if we are taking 5B common, so left term, that is A here, so A minus here 5B we are taking common, so left term, that is 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 minus 4A equal to 0. Now we have to add here 12 upon 5, right? So add 12 upon 5, add 12 upon 5 on both sides, right? So we have to add here 12 upon 5. We are taking common 5B here, 5B. 5B, A minus 3 upon 5 minus 4A is equal to 0. Now we have to add here 12 upon 5 on both sides. When we are adding 12 upon 5 on both sides, we will get here 5b times a minus 3 upon 5, a minus 3 upon 5 minus 4a plus 12 upon 5 is equal to this one 0 plus 12 upon 5, right? Now here it will become 5b times a minus 3 upon 5 minus, now we can take here, this is 4 and here 12, so 4, if we are taking common 4, so it will become a 4 3s are 12, 3 upon 5, right? So we are taking here 4 common, we are taking common 4, so a minus 3, 4 3s are 12, minus minus plus, a minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 12 upon 5. Now a minus 3 upon 5, a minus 3 upon 5. So first term is a minus 3 upon 5. Next one is 5b minus 4. So 5b minus 4 is equal to 12 upon 5. Now we can take here LCM. So it will become 5a minus 3 upon 5. And next one is 5b minus 4 is equal to 12 upon 5. Now we have to multiply with 5 both sides. Why? Because we have to cancel this term. So we are, and here also 5. So we have to multiply by 5 on both sides. Then we will get here, if we are taking, we are multiplying here 5, so it will become 5 times 5a minus 3 upon 5 times 5b minus 4 is equal to 12 upon 5 times 5. Now this 5 is cancelled from this 5, and here 5 is cancelled from this 5. So here left term, that is 5a minus 3 times 5b minus 4 is equal to 12. Now we got here two terms, two equation, that is 5a minus 3 and 5b minus 4 is equal to 12. So now we have to see factor of 12. So factor of 12 is equal to, we can say 1 times 12. 1 times 12 is 12. Next one is 12 times 1. 12 ones are 12. Next one we can say 2 6 are 12. 6 2s are 12. And after that 3 4s are 12. And here 4 3s are 12. So this is the factor of 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have we got here 6 cases for 12, factor of 12. Now we have to solve this these 6 cases. So let's see first one. So this is case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, and this is case 6. So we are taking case 1. So according to case 1, equation is 5a minus 3 times 5b minus 4 is equal to, case 1 is 1 times 12. So 1 times 12. Now comparing LHS and RHS, we got here two equation, that is first one is 5a minus 3 is equal to 1. 5a minus 3 is equal to 1. Next one is 5b minus 4 equal to 12. 5b minus 4 is equal to 12. Now 5a minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore 5a is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore a is equal to 4 by 5. 4 upon 5. This is the value of a from here, and 5b minus 4 is equal to 12. This is equation 2. So 5b is equal to 12 plus 4. 5b is equal to 16, and therefore b is equal to 16 by 5. This is the value of b. But according to given condition in question, that is ab belongs to positive integers, right? integer numbers. Here a equal to 4 upon 5 and b equal to 16 upon 5. So that's why it is rejected. Now we are taking case 2. 5a minus 3 times 5b minus 4 is equal to, case 2 is 12 times 1. 12 times 1. So comparing LHS and RHS, 5a minus 3 is equal to 12. 5a minus 3 equal to 12 and 5b minus 4 equal to 1. 5b minus 4 equal to 1. Now 5a equal to 12 plus 3. 5a equal to 15. Therefore a equal to 15 by 5. 5 3s are 15. A equal to 3. This is value of a from case 2. Now we have to find out the value of b here. So 5b equal to 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. 5b equal to 5. Therefore b equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. B equal to 1. So we got the value of AB from case 2 is AB equal to, A is 3 and B is equal to 1. 3 and 1. Now we are taking case 3. Case 3, 5a minus 3 times 5b minus 4 is equal to 2, 6 are 12. 2 times 6. So comparing LHS and RHS, we will get here 5a minus 3 is equal to 2. And from here 5b minus 4 equal to 6. 5b minus 4 equal to 6. So here therefore 5a equal to 2 plus 3. 5a equal to 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So a equal to 1. Now we have to find out the value of b. So 5b equal to 6 plus 4. 5b equal to 10. Therefore b equal to 10 by 5. 5 2 is 10. B equal to 2. This is the value of b from case 2. So we can say a, b equal to 1 and 2. Now we are taking case 4. 5a minus 3 times 5b minus 4 equal to 6 times 2. So here it will become 6 times 2. 6 2s are 12. Now comparing LHS and RHS, we will get here 5a minus 3 equal to 6 and here 5b minus 4 equal to 2. 5b minus 4 equal to 2. So here 5a equal to 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 5a equal to 9. Therefore a equal to 9 upon 5. This is the value of a. And here b, 5b equal to 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 5b equal to 6. Therefore b equal to 6 by 5. But according to given condition, AB belongs to integer numbers, and therefore it is rejected. Now we are taking case 5. So here case 5. 5a times b, sorry, 5a minus 3 times 5b minus 4 equal to 3 times 4. So here 3 times 4. Now comparing LHS and RHS, we will get here 5a minus 3 equal to 3 and here 5b minus 4 equal to 4. Now 5a equal to 3 plus 3. 5a equal to 6. Therefore a equal to 6 upon 5. This is the value of a from case 5, and from case 5 value of b. So 5b equal to 4 plus 4. therefore 5b equal to 4 plus 4 is 8, therefore b equal to 8 upon 5. Again same thing, ab belongs to integers, integer number given in question, but that is not satisfied here, so it is rejected. Now we are taking case 6. From case 6, 5a minus 3 times 5b minus 4 equal to 4 times 3. 4 3s are 12. So again we are comparing LHS and RHS. So we will get here 5a minus 3 is equal to 4. First equation. Next one is 5b minus 4 equal to 3. 5b minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore 5a is equal to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 5a equal to 7. Therefore a equal to 7 upon 5. This is the value of a from case 6. Now here 5b equal to 3 plus 4. Therefore 5b equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. b equal to 7 upon 5. This is the value of b from case 6. But same thing, ab belongs to integer number, therefore it is rejected. Now we have to find out the value of a plus b. So according to case 2, ab equal to 3 and 1. Therefore a plus b equal to 3 plus 1. a plus b equal to 4. According to case 2, and from case 3, ab equal to 1 and 2. Therefore a plus b equal to 1 plus 2. a plus b equal to 3. So these are two solutions from case 2 and case 3. Value of a plus b equal to 4 and here a plus b equal to 3. This is the solution. Thank you.